Hi, I'm Risa from Anju Risa. Welcome to my craft room. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this cat ear headband. If you love this cat ear headband, consider subscribing. First, I will start to arrange the flower and prepare the flower. I have made a tutorial for this and you can click the link here for details. And prepare another piece of lace. I will attach them together. Prepare another fabric flower. I have made a tutorial for this. You can click the link here. And I will attach this here. For this peony fabric flower, you can click the link here. Prepare a fabric rose, and trust me when I say every piece of fabric flower in this headband is handmade. I have made a tutorial for this and you can click the link here. I will attach them together. Prepare a stamen, and I will cut this using pliers. I will attach this to the tiny fabric flower. And next, I will attach this to here. Prepare a suede cord and measure it by 7 inches. Fold the suede cord in half to determine the center. Like this. Prepare a piece of frill flower. I have made a tutorial for this and you can click the link here for details. Attach the suede cord. And I will attach this flower. Prepare the cat ear headband template. You can get this template at... Nah, forget it. You can screenshot this and print it out. For this larger piece, I will use felt fabric. So, this is felt fabric. Fold the fabric in half. And measure about 1 centimeters from here and cut the felt fabric. Prepare a glitter foil ladder. You can get this at craft store. If you can't get this glitter foil ladder, you can use felt fabric with similar color. And I will use these small pieces and cut the glitter foil ladder. And when you print out the pattern, you can adjust the size, and I prefer my size for the larger piece about 4 centimeters and 5 centimeters. And for the small piece, the size is about 3 centimeters and 4 centimeters. I will glue the small pieces to the cat ear like this and leave about 1 centimeter here. Next, I will fold it here like this and glue the pieces here. Next, I will fold it down like this. Like this. This is to make the cat ears stand up. Prepare a piece of felt fabric, and I will measure the felt fabric about here. Next, prepare an elastic band, and I will cut the elastic band. I will put the elastic band here. I will attach the cat ear right here. And next, I will attach the flowers, not like this, but a little stands up, like this. Like this. And our cat ear headband is finished. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this cat ear headband tutorial, please give thumbs up, leave a comment below, share this video, subscribe and ring the bell. Prepare another fabric flower. You can get this at craft store. Prepare a leather. And if you can't get this leather flow, thanks for watching. If you enjoy this， 对，这个就是华人的石头。